is two students of first standard. We are going to present a dance on nature. Sit back and enjoy.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.
There was a big forest. Here, all the animals, trees, and birds lived in harmony. One day, a greedy human being came to the forest with his axe to chop down the tall grown trees.
Oh, sir, please stop cutting the trees. You are such a fool. Don't destroy our home. How dare you, little rabbit, to call me fool? We humans are intelligent creatures of this nature. Really? Then please tell us about your intelligence. Don't you know how much we are developed in our technologies? But your technology got ideas from our nature. Then what about our beautiful, colorful clothing? Sir, how can you forget our colorful flowers? And first humans were wearing animal skin to survive. We saw homes for many birds like me. So please, sir, don't chop it. Trees provide you and me with oxygen to breathe. It provides shade for you and for me. I provide you so many things for free, flowers, fruits and all. So please sir, I beg you not to chop me down. No, I will not cut you down, dear trees and all my dear animals. You opened my eyes. I am really a fool. I will never destroy nature. I will protect it.
ತಿಮ್ಮಕ್ಕ, ನಿನಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗುವ ಯೋಗವಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿಗಳೇ, ನನಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನಂತೆ? ಈ ನೋವನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಲು ನಾನು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಮರಗಳೇ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಮರಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Hello Tunkur, my name is Aradhya Kushwaha. I am 7 years old. As we are celebrating our school annual day, I am here to share with you an important message. I am kindly do not ignore. I hope you will listen to me attentively. I love nature. I love to see birds fly the sky. Animals moving around me, fishes swimming in the water. I love this beautiful planet, but my beautiful world was shattered in a moment when I saw the picture of a whale caught in the web of plastics. You must be aware that animals, birds, fishes and other beautiful creatures die because of pollution. The trees are working hard to clean up our environment, but we are destroying them. It is sad to see our climate change. Are we destroying ourselves? I asked my dad, I asked my mom, I asked my teacher, how could I protect this beautiful nature? They all said, if the human being cooperate, we can make this world a better place. My humble message for each one of you is to making our world or planet a better place. Thank you.